Woo! Welcome back to M Hood Fishing. So I'm with Jared and we're just now leaving the spot where we were catching bull shark earlier this week on the river. Now we got a storm coming in from the Gulf. It's a depression right now or a disturbance or something, but it's developing. It might be a tropical storm by later tonight or tomorrow, but it's gonna be affecting us heavily later tonight. It's kind of affecting the area right now. That spot where we caught the bull shark is just rough and tough, exposed by the wind, and it's trying to rain right now. So we did try that for a little bit. Nothing came of it. We're gonna go find some protected water right now. Wow, what was that?
Did you see that?
I did. What was that?
Something big.
Something big. Oh, right. Got a fresh mullet. Look at that. Oh, it's a really big one too. Got another mullet. Smaller than the first one. 2 will do me. Fresh mullet is the best, man. I'm gonna bust this on the log here. Just like this. Beat it up a little bit. That'll bust the capillaries in there. Get that meat even bloodier. I'm gonna fish this steep drop off over here, and Jared is around the corner. I'm gonna toss out big baits on 8/0. Of course, as usual, this is 50-pound mono for the leader, 3 ounces for the lead on a sinker slide. My main line is 80-pound braid, 2 12-footers today, just like usual when I come to the river, and it's the same on the other 12-footer, big bait as well. So, like I've said before, this is a real brutal drop off right here, but it's deep water. Jared is over there. He seems to do better with his 10-footers at the more towards the beginning of it, and I'm kind of in the middle. And I can also put a bait out where I think the hole ends, which is a good place to have a bait. Let's see how we do here. I'm gonna walk out just a little bit to make my cast here. I don't have to walk out very far before I'm in knee-deep water. Cool, got into the first seam. It's fairly deep water. Whoa, what do you guys think? You think something's up with this rod? I'm gonna tighten my drag. I had it pretty loose. Whoa, something's here. Whoa, there's its power. I wasn't sure for a second if we had anything. Oh, I'm not even, I don't know, we might not, nope. Whoa! All right, that's 2 massive takedowns with no fish. I think the problem was that I had my drag kind of loose, so any big takedown could just take drag, but I believe it resulted in no hookup. So this time we have the drag tightened down a little bit, still loose on the ugly stick, which the ugly stick hasn't got a bite yet. It's this one. This one is way over there, I believe towards the end of this hole. Usually when I put a bait over there, that's where I get the first results. And that's what's happening today. Let's see if the third is the charm. This time I'm gonna stand close to it since I have that drag tightened really hard, sort of hard. Because they're gonna hit hard. That's what they've been doing so far. No subtle bite, just a bam. Here we go. Yes, we got him this time. Oh, did I speak too soon? No, or yes? No, it's just a drop off, I think. Oh, dang. Ah. If there's water on the lens, guys, I apologize. I was just throwing the cast net. I got one. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, we just ran into a brick wall here. What is going on? Here he is. Whoa, what is up? He's still with us, but he's up into something, up under something. Must be a car down there or something. He went in there and shut the door and rolled the window up. Whoa, this fish just went to the bottom and won't move. I can still feel him. He's still there. Come on, fish. Swim up out of there. There he is. I feel him moving. All right, I've got the drag loose. The fish is still there. We're gonna give him a little time, see if he will swim out of whatever he's in, see if I can get him. This is going to be a long process, I feel like. Finally, we got him. It took a while. I just had to wait, and then I felt him just come up. Oh, goodness me. I thought I was going to lose this fish. Now it doesn't feel very big. What do we got here? Ooh. Well, that's a decent blue cat, actually. Look at that, guys. Nice. Yeah, you're right. Went through 3 massive takedowns with nothing before this. I'm not going to bother weighing this fish or keep it. When I come this far down here, I'm just looking for donkeys and other things. I really wanted to catch shark today and a big gar. I thought, you know, if the wind wasn't so bad, maybe that spot down there where I did that the other day, earlier this week, would have been good for that, but too much wind. This is more of a catfish spot. This is pretty decent. I would guess that it's somewhere from 15 to 18 pounds, probably more like 15. It might be a little less than that. Sometimes my eyes are bigger than the actual weight of the fish. That's true with about everybody. Pretty nice blue cat though. Yeah, you're right. I don't know what that was, but something massive hit. I feel like my line just broke. Man, did something just break off 80-pound braid? Just had a break off. What the? I'm gonna run over here real quick because Jared has something to show me. Yeah, it's a big ray. I've actually seen much bigger ray, but yeah, you're right. So I don't think that fish actually broke me off. It's possible. It happened really, really fast. It's more likely that it was a big fish that brought me up against something that cut through the line. It happened really, really fast. It was just, the rod tip just all of a sudden just went down slowly. Yeah, you're right. Got water on the lens. What we're gonna do here is tighten this drag. See if he's still there. Yep. This is the only rod I have out right now. I have not tied up the other one. I was trying to get a fresh mullet. That's why I wiped the lens. Whoa, this is a nice one, guys, so far. Oh, he's really working me right now. Really pulling that rod tip down. Yes. Oh no. What happened? Oh my goodness. Heartbreak out on the river right now. Let me tell you, if I was a weaker man, I'd be bawling right now. But I'm not. Just gonna get back out there, do it all over again. Look at the state of my bait. Woo! What was that? Was that a gar that I was messing with? I mean, it kind of felt like it. Look how messed up that bait is. I really need to get some fresh bait, but I'll tell you what, we're gonna just put that right back out there as is. Just keep the one rod out, keep throwing the net. Might have to wipe the lens again to reach for the rod. I had the drag really loose that time because I went over there to look at a stingray. Ooh, something's with this rod. I gave up on trying to catch bait. When I first got here, they were really close in. I actually have bait that I brought with me from last night. I think something's chewing on that out there. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, he's up on that drop off again. It always makes them feel like they're monsters. Oh, come on, man. There he goes. Oh, he's back on it. There he goes. Back off it. Stay away from that. Oh. Should have him up in the column by now. Still got him, but he definitely feels lighter. He's feather light all of a sudden. Still there though. Oh, there he goes. Little head shake right there. We got him in front of us. Not a very big fish, but it's a fish. Ooh. Just a little guy too, look at that. Pretty clean looking, not very big. Got a couple of leeches on him. He was hooked right there. I'm gonna let him go. Got 3 helicopters coming in at us. Reminds me of something. Oh, big takedown right here. Look at this, guys, right at sunset. Yes, big takedown. I'm gonna loosen my drag. Tighten my drag a little bit. Oh, he's already on the surface. Yes. Oh man, he feels nice. He's already up on the surface. I gotta hoss him because we got some kind of limb stuck on the bar over here. Oh, he's about to hit it. Oh. Jared, I got a big one and I've got a predicament. I don't know, I may or may not need your help. I'm trying to hoss him around oh my goodness. This is the worst ever. Worst ever situation. He may have me wrapped on this, he may not. I might be able to get out to that. That's not real, I don't think that's deep. You guys see what I'm talking about? There's a stick sticking up, and that's what we were trying to get him past, and he may have wrapped us around it. That fish got off when he wrapped the line around whatever is in the water. I think it's a limb. It's probably a big tree limb over there. If I only came here for this, I would have it made, because that's epic. Oh, ooh. Ooh. Yes, we have not left yet. I came over where Jared was fishing. We've teamed up. I've got one rod out. Jared's got one rod out. Let's try to work this over to where the headlights of the vehicle are. Oh, this fish feels good. Where I'm fishing right now is not far from where I was fishing. I mean, it's just a short walk, a few seconds. There's not a big drop off here, but there is a drop off. It's just not crazy. This feels like a good fish. This is on a piece of mullet. I brought different kinds of bait down here today, and I've been trying them here and there. The best results were from fresh mullet. I just so happened to be able to get fresh mullet down here right where we were fishing. We've both been trying like perch and then mullet. Oh, yes. Oh, he's running over there. You know, I'm not sure what we have here. This fish is not giving up yet. He's in shallow water, but man, he's running over into these weeds. Here he comes. Oh, that's a decent fish. Let's get him over into the headlights. I think Jared just came out. Well, that is a decent blue cat right there. I got him in shallow water here. Got him in the net. That took a second. That's definitely over 20 pounds. Look at that. Definitely over 20 pounds. Wow, biggest fish of the day. Probably lost bigger. I know I lost some big fish out here. Well, let me do my thing here, and we're gonna show them off. We're definitely weighing this fish. Worth the weight, worth the mosquito bites. Oh, the net. Wow, 28.29. Awesome. Check it out, guys. Totally worth the wait. Almost a 30-pound fish. Really, really awesome. What a heartbreak day. Let me tell you. But this makes up for it. This totally makes up for it. Check it out. Look at that fish. Isn't that awesome? Totally. Huh. Let me just stop. Woo. Soak up the moment. Let's see if that bruiser will just cruise on out there on his own. There he goes. I think he got it. Whew. Some days are fire, some days are heartbreak. This day was a little bit of both. Definitely fire there. That was a fire catch. Whew, that was a nice catch. Nice way to end this heartbreak session, let me tell you. All right, thanks guys for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.